So the next booth that we're going to be working on is the Classic DSLR, aka the Raver. So whichever booth you have, just make sure that this is powered on. That will give the entire unit power. On the left side, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is your AC adapter. This is what's going to be connecting to this little hinge right here. Inside of your plastic bag, you'll have a little device that looks like this. That will connect into your AC adapter. Sorry for the background noise. It is 4th of July and I am making this video for you guys now. So number one, as you can see, it's on. It doesn't look like it's on, but it actually is on. So that's number one. So you saw I turn on the booth. It didn't look like it was on, but it actually is on. So if you just hit any button, it just turns right on. So just for those of you that are like, hey, my camera's not turning on, it's on 100%. But it just goes on auto power off because that's what we set it to. And just to show you, menu, we go to our function settings. We made sure that your card was formatted, and number two, we went to power savings, and these right here, auto power off, we're going to disable that. But that's your perfect settings. And then if you're going to just open this really quickly, I'm just going to show you. Open, push this out. Same thing, this is your dummy battery that goes in, so just make sure that this goes exactly straight in. The proper way will be just like this. This will stick out to the side with this little tab, and make sure your SD card is on the inside as well. So a lot of people are like, it's not on. It is 100% on. It's just off, like the screen is off. Hold on. Just gonna put this back on. So I'm powering this off. You can see everything is connected. Everything's, and once I hit this, it will power everything on. Computer, camera. Sometimes you turn this on and this will go black, which is totally fine. But as you saw in the beginning, it's totally black, and which is totally fine. And I normally press the button up here to, if I'm going to take a picture. You could also just turn it off and turn it back on just to reset the settings. But you saw how easy that was to make sure that it turns on. And after that, just open up your Luma booth and it'll open it up perfectly fine. So that's how you successfully set up your R100 in either the Elite 2.0, Raver, or Classic DSLR. And you could see here it's going to sleep, which it's not off, but it's on standby mode, waiting for it to be told what to do. And this is where we would go in front, turn on our computer, adjust our settings, and all of that. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, please hit that like button. That'll let me know that this video helped you guys out. And if you guys haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.